What's the meaning of cold comfort? Cold comfort. Cold comfort.
Cold comfort. Cold comfort. The phrase cold comfort refers to a situation where someone receives minor or inadequate consolation or relief from a difficult or troubling circumstance. It implies that the solace offered may be technically true, but it does little to ease the person's distress. It is like a small warming fire in a freezing blizzard. The phrase is often used to recognize the effort made by a person attempting to console another, but also to emphasize the inadequacy of the comfort offered.